Hello everyone, my name is Indira Fana Aulia. I'm from class 2A English Education. In this video, I will explain the material about minimal pairs and phonemic contrast. So here I will show my PPT. Minimal pairs and phonemic contrast are important concepts in English phonology because small difference in sounds can change meaning. Let's start with the introduction. Phonology studies how sounds function in a language. In other words, phonology focuses on how speech sounds are organized and used in communication. In English, small sound difference can change meaning. This means that even one small change in pronunciation can result in a completely different word. These differences are explained through phonemes, phonemic contrast, and minimal pairs, and the three concepts will be the main focus of this presentation. Let's talk about phonemes. A phoneme is that small units of sounds that can change meaning. So, it is the basic sound unit that affect meaning in a language. Phonemes are written using EPA, which is the International Phonetic Alphabet used to show pronunciation clearly. For example, the word pat and bat differ only in the first sound because the small difference changes the meaning. P and B are considered different phonemes. Now let's move on to phonemic contrast. Phonemic contrast occurs when two sounds create a difference in meaning. This happens when changing one sound results in a different word. If replacing one sound with another changes meaning, the sounds are contrastive. A clear example is fun and fun, where the contrast between V and V change the meaning. This can be seen clearly in minimal pairs. Minimal pairs are two words that differ in only one sound, meaning the words are almost identical in pronunciation. They appear in the position and have different meaning. Because of this, minimal pairs clearly show phonemic contrast in a language. Example of minimal pairs: sheep, sheep, pet, pet, fun, fun, rice, lice. There are two types of minimal pairs: consonant minimal pairs, such as pet and pet, or zip and zip, show difference in consonant sounds. Vowel minimal pairs, such as sheep and sheep, or full and fall, show difference in vowel sounds, especially vowel length or vowel quality. Let's look at this example. The sound P and B are both bilabial plosive, meaning they are produced using both lips with a stopping airflow. The main difference is voicing. P is voiceless, while B is voiced. This difference in voicing creates a phonemic contrast, a sound in pet and pet. This is important for EVAL learning. Minimal pairs help learners distinguish similar sounds, which is often difficult for EVAL learners. They also improve listening accuracy and pronunciation because learners become more aware of small sound difference. Common problems include sounds like sheep and sheep or thing and thing. Now, let's try a practice activity. Repeat after me. Sheep, sheep, pet, pet, fan, fun. In this activity, learners listen and repeat words such as sheep and sheep, pet and pet, and fun, so they can practice recognizing and producing different sounds accurately. This is useful in real communication. Incorrect pronunciation may cause misunderstanding because change one sound and change meaning. For example, saying sheep instead of sheep can confuse the listener. This shows why minimal pair practice is important in real communication. So, in conclusion, minimal pairs and polemic contrast are essential concepts in English phonology because they show how a small difference in sound can change meaning. By understanding phonemes and recognizing minimal pairs, learners can improve their pronunciation, listening skill, and overall communication. For EFL learner, practicing minimal pairs helps reduce misunderstanding and builds confidence in using English accurately in real life situations. That's all my presentation. Thank you for watching. See you.